So these renovations are so important because they're going to provide state-of-the-art facilities in Boebel Hall for the STEM areas of biology, chemistry, and environmental sciences, and so that students will be able to not only learn science, but do science. So what's going to be new in the building? There's several things that'll be new. One is it's going to have this inviting atrium along with other collaborative areas and study areas for students to have an environment, a stimulating learning environment that's comfortable for them, a place that they can call home. In addition, again, the state-of-the-art facilities, which are the biggest things for that hands-on experiential learning that we're known for. In addition, we're going to be able to develop a state-of-the-art cadaver lab. So our cadavers will be able to move over from Russell Hall, and that's going to support all our pre-professional areas. And plus, we use that cadaver lab for a lot of outreach. In addition, we're going to have a new animal science room. And so again, that hands-on experiential learning. But what this also does is it allows for local schools to come over and get some of that hands-on experience and our students to be involved in outreach. Faculty, staff, and student input is absolutely critical because the faculty and staff, they're the experts. They know what needs to go into these laboratories and these learning spaces. And by working with students and getting that student input, we can make sure that these learning environments are the most stimulating possible. So what makes the cadaver lab different than what we currently have is it's going to be its own facility that will really facilitate the students engaging with the cadavers, but also technology as they're working on the cadavers. Plus, it's going to be a welcoming space when we do a lot of outreach with the cadavers. And so this will be a permanent space as we're scheduling high schools and other community members coming through the laboratory. It just helps facilitate that kind of outreach. So when we look at the interior of this building, what we're doing is we're capturing the whole idea of the driftless area, and so the learning environment is going to capture it. So when you look at the textiles, when you look at the molding and things of that sort with the interior, it's really going to capture that driftless area, again making a real welcoming, rich learning environment. So we're really excited about this renovation and what it's going to do for our STEM students, especially those in biology, but also in the environmental sciences and chemistry. This is truly exciting for the College of Bilsa and the University of Wisconsin-Platteville.